So we're gonna do another tutorial today. This time is email integration naman. Email domain integration naman. So still I'm using Funnel Pro. This is the white label of GHL. So to start, you need to go to settings, then look for domain and URL redirect. Pagka-click mo niyan, click on connect a domain. Since we're using email, connect email. Bago pala 'to, kailangan naka-login ka na sa Cloudflare account mo, okay? And then you should have an active domain on your Cloudflare. So, I'm gonna use info dot um 'to, info.stevenfunnelsdhl.cc. So yung info, subdomain 'to. So you can type info, support, anything that you want, and then dot the domain that you're using. Click add and verify. Since I'm gonna teach automatic integration, so i-click mo na lang is yung continue. The good thing about GHL is that if you are using Cloudflare and GoDaddy, you can connect them automatically. So click continue. Makikita mo is magra-route siya papunta sa Cloudflare. Okay, so see, authorized domain. Instead na magma-manual ka na magta-type ng text, name, content, automatic na siya, 'di ba? So, click authorize. Yan, babalik na siya ngayon sa kay JHL. So, ang gagawin mo na lang dito is verify domain. So, i-click mo 'tong verify domain hanggang sa mag-green lahat ng ito. Okay? So, click natin verify domain. Okay. So, usually about 60 seconds. So, mas mabilis pa rin 'yun kumpara sa ilalag mo siya manually. So, wait lang natin. 'Pag nainip ka na, you can also do refresh. Pero wait muna natin. Okay. So, nakita nyo, verified na siya. So, ganun lang siya kadali. Malalaman mo na working na siya and verified na siya kapag pumunta ka sa email again. Pagka ganito pa rin siya, SSL pending, that means it's not totally verified yet. So, click on verify now. Verify ulit. Kailangan ang lalabas dun is SSL verified. Tingnan natin. Okay. So, showing verified here. But to truly check, balik ka dito. Ayan. Kita nyo? So, ito yung ginawa natin. Info Steven. Then, SSL issued na siya. So, it's already active and working. Okay? So, ganun lang siya kadali. If you have any more question or tutorial na gusto nyo gawa natin ng video, let me know. So, that's all. Thank you.